if ChatGPT always agrees with you and you've had enough and you want better responses and answers, then it's time to prompt ChatGPT and get ChatGPT to not always agree. Now, how do you do that? Well, what you need to do is you need to type out a prompt similar to this. Now, I'm going to leave it in the description, and if I don't leave it in the description, you can go ahead and get ChatGPT to essentially copy and paste it. So I'll show you first what the prompt is, then I'll show you how you can grab it, right? So we're just going to go ahead and search here, and this is basically a prompt saying, I want you to act as my critical thinking co-pilot and not a cheerleader. Your job is to move, agree, motivate, or impress me. Your job is to improve clarity, accuracy, and strength in the ideas. And then it goes and tells ChatGPT what exactly you want. Now, if I forget to put this in the description, then all you need to do is go ahead and open up Snipping Tool on your computer and then go New, and you can just go ahead and grab a screenshot of this and then just paste this into ChatGPT and tell it to type it. By doing that, you're then going to get the whole prompt, just in case I forget to put it in the description. But paste this into your chat, make it very clear that you want ChatGPT not to agree with you, and you should then get better responses in that specific chat.